Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix this type of error. An expected error occur when you log in to Facebook account. You can solve this type of problem in many ways. If you want to solve this problem, then you have to see this video completely. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. To solve this problem, you have to update your Facebook app, as this problem occurs due to apps which is outdated. If you go to Play Store and search for the Facebook app and update it, then this problem can be solved by this update of your Facebook app. If you have updated your Facebook app and the problem is occurring again and again, then there is another method which you can solve this problem, which is you have to clear all your running apps in your device, as you can see in the video. After that, you can also restart your device to solve this problem. This problem can also be solved by restarting your device and turning it on. After you have restarted your devices and clear all the running apps, you can log in again to your Facebook account. After that, you log into your account, then this problem will not be faced by your account. As you can see in the video, after I have given password, the Facebook is logging in. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Hope you have liked this information. Hope your problem is solved by these solutions. Thank you.